Hello everyone. Did you finish the homework I gave you in the exercise 4.1 second part as a homework? What did you get the answer? 105 whole square, that is 100 plus 5 whole square, and the answer is 100 square, that is 10,000 plus 2ab, 5 2s are 10, ab plus b square, so we will get 11025. This is the answer for the question, second part of question number 1. Okay, today we are going to do the opposite process called factorization. Okay, what I said about the opposite process is, here in the previous exercise we have solved the identities. Here already the right hand side RHS part is given, we have to factorize it to the LHS part. Okay, before solving any questions, you should know what are the terms and the perfect squares. Okay, let's start exercise 4.2. Students, with me, I want everyone to open your notebook and start writing exercise 4.2. Open your textbook for better understanding. Factor completely. Question number 1, you have 6 part. Hint is given, 2 was taken out as a common factor in example 7. Is it possible to do something similar in exercise V and VI above? Okay, let's see it will be or not. Let's start factorization. In class 8 also you learn about the factorization, isn't it, students? Now give more attention to see the algebraic identities, not identities, it is expression. So the expression says it is 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. By looking at the expression, what you are thinking? This is looks like some first term with a square, the last term with a square, and the middle term is xy term with some other number. Can we convert this into 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 4y plus 4y whole square. So see, the first term 3x whole square is 9x square, 4y whole square is 16y square, and the middle term by multiplying you can see 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24xy. Correct? Now which format we wrote it? We wrote as 3x plus 4y whole square. This is the RHS part, already we wrote a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know this is the formula of a plus b whole square. So the factorization is 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 4y. Because it is the square, it means you can write 2 times. And this is the answer of question number 1, first part. Okay, students, now I want you to pause here and do it yourself, question number 1, the second part, and compare your answer with mine. The question is 4s square plus 20st plus 25t square. I think many students already guessed the answer. Good, very nice. It can be 2s whole square plus 2a, you see here 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, so you can write 5t plus 5t whole square. Or the other else, first observe the last part and find out the b value. Now it is 2s plus 5t whole square. You can write it 2 times, 2s plus 5t and 2s plus 5t. Because square you can write as 2 times. So, and this is our answer of question number 1, third part. The third part is given 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square. Yes, students, tell me. Very good. Excellent. So it will be 7x whole square plus 2ab. By looking at the last term, it is 2y. 2y, and you see, multiply 2 4 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28, xy plus 2y whole square. Are you getting it what I said? The middle term, when you will multiply each part, you are getting 28xy. That's why this is the correct format we can write. For your understanding, I am making the steps that you will understand better. So you can see the step I wrote is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Whose formula is that? It is a plus b whole square formula. So our answer is 7x plus 2y of 7x plus 2y. This is our answer. Okay student, let's go to the fourth part of question number 1. The fourth part is 64p square plus 32 by 3 pq plus 4 by 9 q square. Sorry, I wrote here q. It is 9. Now, what do you think, students? What is the value of a and b here? It looks like same, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's write it in the simplest format. 64 is a perfect square of 8. So instead of 64, you can make it 8p whole square. 8 square is 64, p whole square is p square. Plus 2, a is 8p, b is 2 by 3. By looking at the last term, we can see it is 2 by 3 q whole square. Now here also b value will write the same thing, 2 by 3 q. Now anything is cancelling? Nothing. So what you are getting? 2 to the 4, 4 8 ja 32 by 3. Yeah, same thing we are getting. So answer is 8p plus 2 by 3q whole square. So the answer is 8p plus 2 by 3q of 8p plus 2 by 3q. Because it is square 2 times, we can write the answer as 2 times. Let's go to the part of fifth, what it says. The fifth part of question number 1 is 3a square plus 4ab plus 4 by 3 b square. Can you see that every term, is it the correct question I wrote? Yeah, 4 a. Anything is common in this? Three a square plus 4ab plus 4 by 3 b square. In this question, if you will take anything common, here the last term is 4 by 3. 3 is a prime number. 4 is a perfect square, that is 2 square. If you will multiply, I am multiplying 3 to eliminate the denominator. I want to eliminate the denominator, so I am multiplying 3. So 3 3 is a 9a square, 3 4 is a 12ab. Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled, plus 4b square. Is it the perfect square of a plus b? Let's see. It is a square plus 2ab. By looking at the b last term, I can see it is the 2b whole square. 2 3 is a 6, 6 2 is a 12ab. Very good, correct. So answer is 3a plus 2b into 3a plus 2b. First you write square, then you separate it into 2. Like I said, 2 books. So here also one book and here also another book. Or I can write 2 books. The same meaning is this. Okay. So you will picturize this way. Both ways same. The square of a plus b whole square, a plus b into a plus b, same thing. This question is actually slightly different than the previous. We have to think. If you see directly 3a square, 3 is a prime number. It will be square of root 3. So that's why think like how 4 is 2ab, and if you'll think to multiply with 3 with all the terms, we are getting a perfect square. In this identities you have to think this way. Okay, 3a plus 2b, 3a plus 2b. Now the sixth part of this question, 9 by 5 s square, this is 5 and this is s, plus 6sv plus 5v square. Here what do you think? If I'll multiply with 5, will I get? Seems like that. Let's see. I am multiplying 5 in each term. Let's see what you will get. The first term 5 is cancelling. I'll get 9s square plus the second term 6 5s are 30sv, and the fifth term 5 5s are 25v whole square. Okay, not whole square, it is only 25v square. Now you see this becomes a whole number. So it is 3s, see 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 3s a whole square plus 2ab, b is how much? 5v, right? 25 is a perfect square. So 5v, 2ab plus b square. So our answer is 3s plus 5v whole square. Are you getting, students? So it will be 3s plus 5v into 3s plus 5v. If you are not understanding how this 5 has cancelled, see, you have a number of example I am telling you how easily you can solve this. This last two parts actually little different than the simple identity factors. What we will do, we cancel the denominator to make it the whole number, and easily you can find out is it a perfect square or not. If it is coming as perfect square, that's the way we can do. Okay, so now let's use another identity. Since these numbers are close to the hundreds or 300s, we calculate them mentally using the identities. Okay, the identity you will use as a minus b whole square. Tell me what is the formula of a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's start question number 2, the first part, 79 square. Yes, how will you write this? 80 minus 1. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? Always write this, students. The teacher will give a good impression that you use this formula. If any mistake will happen in your calculation, then also chances to get a good mark is you wrote the identity. Now let's write a minus b whole square is a square. See, I am telling a square, but it is instead of 80, instead of a, the value of a is 80. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 8 8 just 64, the 0 will be double, 8 2 just 16, 1 0 plus 1. So here we can cancel this and subtract, then we'll add 0 minus 0 0, but 1 is there. I can write 1, and here 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 3 minus 1 is 2, and it is 6. I got 6241. Students, please solve it yourself in a column method and tell me, are you getting the same answer? Excellent. Second part, 193 square. What we can make it? Can we make it as 200 minus 7? These things we have to observe and understand what I should write. Okay, the same a minus b whole square formula. It is a square, instead of a it is 200, a square minus 2ab plus b square. it will be 2 2 ja 4, the zeros will be double, minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28 with 2 zeros, plus 7 7 ja 49. Let's subtract 2 zeros, but at the end we have 49. Then 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 3. I am getting 37,249. Students, are you getting the same? Please solve it yourself. Mathematics, how you will practice, how fast you solve, then you will win in mathematics. Okay, let's do the question number 2, third part. 299 square. It's easy, you can make it easily. It is 300 minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square, it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the square. 3 3s are 9, the zeros will be double, minus 3 2s are 600 plus 1. So we will subtract, but at the end we have addition. 0 minus 0 0, then it is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 and 8. I got 89,401. Did you get the same answer for this question? Total you have third, right? So we have completed exercise 4.2. So today's lesson teaches us one important skill. Before solving any questions, first observe the expressions, check whether it matches an identity, and only then begin solving. Okay, this habit helps us to solve questions quickly and accurately in exam. If you found this class helpful, practice these questions once on your own. Okay, thank you for watching.